Good morning, all of you. I am Ziapuram from Gnanaji Vidyapith, Standard 4th. So, students, in a maths, unit number 2, we'll start worksheet number 14. In that worksheet, yesterday we have completed solve the following questions in your notebook multiplication with the regrouping. In that multiplication with regrouping. So students, in that already we have completed sum number A to P. Now we'll start sum number Q. In that question is 7009 multiplied by 34 is there. 7009 multiplied by 34 is there. So we have to draw the place value box. Then we have to write here ones, tens, hundred and thousand. We have to write here 7009 multiplied by 34. So students, we'll start with the ones. 9 fours are 36. Write here 3. Write here 6. 3 is carry over. 0 fours are 0. 0 plus 3 3. 0 fours are 0. 4 sevens are 28. So write here 28. Then students, we have to proceed out in the ones place. 3 nines are 27. Write here 2. 7. 2 is a carry over. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 2. 3 zeros are 0. 3 sevens are 21. Write here 21. So now students, we have to do the addition. So in that addition, we have to write the answer here. 6 as it is. 3 plus 7. 3 on your mind, 7 on your finger. 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write here 0. 1 is a carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 as it is. So answer is 2,38,306. Now students, next sum, R1 sum, 9,900 multiply by 21. So we have to draw the place value box. Then we have to write here ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Write here 9,909 multiplied by 21. 1 nines are 9, 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 nines are 9. Proceed out in the ones place. 2 nines are 80. Write here 8. 1 is a carry over. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 zeros are 0. 2 nines are 80. So here 10,000 and then like this. Now students, we have to do the plus sign here. We have to do the plus sign. and then we have to do the addition. So 9 plus 9 as it is, 0 plus 8 8, 1 plus 0 1, 9 plus 0 9, 8 as it is, 1 as it is. So answer is 1,89,189 is it. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. S1 sum, 2020 multiplied by 99. So we have to do the place value box. We have to write here ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Write here 2020 multiply by 99. So students, in that 9 zeros are 0, 9 twos are 80. Write here 8, 1 is a carryover. 9 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 1, 9 twos are 80. Write here 80. Now cross it out in the ones place. 1 zeros are 0, 1 twos are 80. Write here 8, 1 is a carryover. 1 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 nines are 80. So students, we have to do the addition now. 0 as it is, 8 as it is, 8 plus 1 1, 8 plus 1 9, 8 plus 1 9, 1 as it is. So answer is 1,99,980. Now students, next one sum. So in that portion is 7,607 multiplied by 85. So we have to do the place value box first. In there we have to write here ones, tens, hundred and thousand, 10,000. So we have to write here 7,607 multiplied by 85. 5 5 sevens are 35. Right here 5 threes is carry over. 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3 3. 5 6 are 30. Right here 0 3 is a carry over. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3 35, then 36, 37, 38. So right here 38. Cross it out in the ones place. 8 sevens are 56. Right here 6 5 is a carry over. 8 zeros are 0, 0 plus 5 5. 8 6 are 48. Right here 8 4 is a carry over. 8 sevens are 56. 56 plus 57, 58, 59, 40. Right here 40, 40. We have to do the plus sign here. 5 as it is. 6 plus 3 9. So we have to write here 9. 5 as it is. 8 plus 8 6, you write here 6. 1 is a carry over. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 4 or 3 4, and 4 as it is. So answer is now. Students, you have to complete this sums in your maths notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next sums. Sum number. Now students, you have to complete the sum, all the sums. Now we'll start next question. Second one question is, so students, second one question is, multiply the number within the same shapes. So here is a different shapes: square, rectangle, oval, pentagon, and square is there. So you have to match the shapes and do the sums. So first of all, first one is square is there, rectangle is there. So we have to find the rectangle. So students, now here this one is a rectangle. So we have to multiply first one sum. First one sum we have to multiply with the 2087 multiply by 26. So we have to write here 2087 multiply by 26. 6 7s are 42. Write here 2. 4 is a carry over. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 4 48, then 49 50 40 49 50 51 52. Write here 2. 2 is a carry over. 2 plus 0 2. 2 6 are 12. Write here 12. Then students, we have to cross it out in the ones place. 2 7s are 40. Write here 4. 1 is a carry over. 2 8s are 60. 60 plus 1 90. Write here 9. 1 is a carry over. Now students, 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 5 5. 6 sevens are 60. Now we'll do the addition. 2 as it is. 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 2 5. 2 plus 5 7. 6 plus 1 1. 1 as it is. 1 as it is. Now students, next one, here is an oval shape. So we will do the multiplication with the oval shape. So we have to write here second one sum. 6073 multiplied by 3042 is there. So we have to do the sum here. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 40. Right here 1 is a carry over. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 30. Cross it out here. 4 3s are 27. 12. Right here 2. 1 is a carry over. 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1. 29. 1 is a carry over. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1. 25 is there. Then close it out to 1s and 10s plus 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. Right here 1 2 is a carry over. 3 6 are 80. 80 plus 2 80, then 90 and 20. Right here 20. So now we'll write the answer. 6 86 6 86 3 9 plus 9 80. 80 plus 1 80, then 90 20 21. Right here 1 2 is a carry over. 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 5 8 8 plus 1 9. Right here 9. 2 as it is, 2 as it is. So answer is now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. Students, here you have to complete, make the shapes and write the answers. Do the sums in your maths notebook. Okay, now next portion is, now here we have to write, first one is completed, so second one number we have to write 633 multiplied by 242 is there. So we have to write here 2,29,166 is there. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to complete. I hope so students your work is complete. You have to complete the remaining sums in worksheet number 14, and that worksheet you have to send it to me before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete your work and send it to me, your homework, in a WhatsApp group. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day. Bye all of you.